Ed word family, replacing the initial sound. Ed, we're going to add a B in front of that. Bed, we will be replacing the B with an F. Fed, we will be replacing the F with an L. Led, we will be replacing the L with an R. Red, we will be replacing the R with a W. Wed, we will be replacing the W with the BL. Bled, we will be replacing the BL with an FL. Fled, we will be replacing the FL with the PL. Pled, we will be replacing the PL with an SH. Shed, we will be replacing the SH with an SL. Sled, we will be replacing the SL with an SHR. Shred,